The second air hose connected to the automatic feeding machine on the second air plug hole. The first air hose connected to the first air plug hole on the feeder. The motor plug of the feeder connected to the servo motor socket on the feeder. Signal cable connected to the signal plug on the feeder. This is the way how the automatic feeder is wired. Open emergency stop button, machine button, LED light button. Check whether the rotating shaft of the automatic feeder can rotate. If it does not turn, the feeder has been energized. Open SCAD to marking software. Click Open Document to open the feed test file. Select the graphic to be marked. Before marking test, you need to check whether the metal sheet is fixed in the fixture. And make sure the double red light is focused on the metal sheet. Before marking, turn on the laser button. Find the double red light dot on the metal sheet. Press the up button by adjusting the height of the column, so that the double red light point gathered into a red light point. Make sure the red light point is in focus. Start marking. Automatic feeding machine is working. The above shows the automatic feeding machine is forward to carry out automatic feeding work. Next, set up the automatic feeding process. Click on the Extend Axis option and move to enter the value. If the value is negative, feed the material forward. If the value is positive, feed backward. Adjust the distance of the automatic feed and click to confirm. Now the automatic feeder is working backwards to feed the material. Commissioning completed. Marking work continues. Automatic feeder continues to work.